Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So students, today I've taken a very good question based on logs and inequalities combined. So before we move on to the question, students, anyone wants to enroll for any of our courses, you can visit our website www.quantifiers.in. And we also have a Facebook group for preparation. Regular questions are being posted here for your practice. You can join this group, guys. A link for the group is given in the description. So students, now here is the question. I would request everyone to please pause the video and try this question. Okay, students, so I hope all of you have given it a try. Just a small request, guys. Uh, this question is doable only if you are clear with the basics of logs and inequalities. I mean, this is the last thing to be done after completing, you can say, uh, algebra, you can say, right? So these are little bit advanced level questions where everything which you have covered in logs and algebra will be used. So if you don't know the basics of logs and algebra, logs and inequality students, so students, you might find it tough. Okay. Now, just one condition I'll tell you, which is very important. If base is between 0 and 1, then students, sign of inequality, it will change. Sign of inequality will change. And the second case, if base is greater than 1, then students, sign will not change. Sign will not change. And I hope all of you are aware of basic property of log. Let's say if it is given log of a to the base b, okay, log of a to the base b. You just need to know that a will always be positive, b will always be positive. Both a and b should always be positive, and base can never be 1. Okay, base can never be 1. Now students, let us move on to the question. Now see, the biggest problem in this question is we have no idea about the base, whether it is between 0 and 1 or whether it is greater than 1. So we have to make cases here. So let me take case 1. Now I'm assuming that base is greater than 1. Base is greater than 1. So if x plus 3 is greater than 1, that means x is greater than minus 2. Now I've already told you that if base is greater than 1, sign will not change. Now what does it mean? See, if you remove this log, so can I say left hand side में तो x square minus x ही आएगा, and now right hand side will become x plus 3 to the power 1. X plus 3 to the power 1, so I'll write it as x plus 3 only. Now sign of inequality students, it will not change, right? So it will remain less than only. X square minus x will be less than x plus 3. Now, most of the students, they miss out on one case. Students, जिस चीज का भी आप log निकाल रहे हो, just now I told you that a should be positive. जिसका हम log निकाल रहे हैं, we are finding log of a, so a should be positive. So this thing should also be positive. X square minus x, it should be positive. So that means it should be greater than 0. So students, now let us solve it further. First, I'll solve this part only, right? I'm solving only the first part. Now from here, what I will get? I'll get x into x minus 1, x into x minus 1, right? This is greater than 0. And now students, I'm solving the other part. I'm solving this part, okay? This part I'm solving. So if I solve this part, x square minus x is less than x plus 3. Now from here, what will I get? I'll get x square minus of 2x minus of 3, it is less than 0. And this will give me x minus 3 into x plus 1 is less than 0. Now students, all three conditions should satisfy, okay? All three conditions should satisfy. These are the three conditions which I have highlighted. All three should satisfy. Now let us draw a number line. This will give you a better understanding, students. So now I'll quickly write down all the values. from here you can see students, if I put this to be 0 and this to be 0, so I'll get the values of x as x की हमारे पास वैल्यू 0 और 1 आ जाएंगी. I am putting this to be 0 and this to be 0. Okay, so from here I am getting the values of x 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Here it is given -2, and from here students I am getting the values of x as -1 and 3, -1 and 3. So now students, I am representing these values on the number line. So if I represent these values on the number line, obviously -2 पहले आएगा, then you will get -1, then you will get a 0, then 1, and then we will get a 3. Now students, as we have discussed, all three conditions should satisfy. तो भी पहले ये वाली condition देख लेते हैं, x is greater than -2. So what does it mean? X is greater than -2 will be something like this. Okay, now let's look at the second condition. X into x minus 1 is greater than 0. So students, now what does it mean? This basically means our focus should only be on these two values, right? And we need greater than 0. Again students, I am assuming that all of you are aware of basics. So greater than 0 kab hoga? It should be either greater than 1, it should be either greater than 1, or students, it should be less than 0, or it should be less than 0. Now let's see the third condition. Okay, if you see this third condition, from here we are getting the roots. यहाँ से हमारे पास roots क्या आ रहे हैं? -1 and 3. Okay, focus on -1 and 3. And it is given that the product is less than 0. So if product is less than 0, what does it mean? That x should lie from -1 to 3. X should lie from -1 to 3. Now students, we have to look for the common region. We have to look for the common region, and now if you see the common region, can I say this will be the common region? Right students, this thing is common to all three. And students, from here also we are getting this region to be common. So students, now from here what are we getting? That x will lie from -1 to 0. X will lie from -1 to 0. X is greater than -1. X is less than 0. Right? I hope this point is clear to everyone. And students, moreover, we are getting one more condition, that union x will lie from 1 to 3. X will lie from 1 to 3. So -1 to 0, union 1 to 3. So students, now this is the answer for the first part. Now let us look at the second part. Now second case you also need to solve. So now students, I am erasing this first part. I hope all of you have got it. So second case, now if I'll take, so we have already discussed, the second case will be that the base is, that the base x plus 3, it lies between 0 and 1. Okay, it lies between 0 and 1. So first of all students, if base lies between 0 and 1, so what does it mean? So from here, what will you get? You will get that x is greater than -3 and it is less than -2. So this is the first condition we are getting. X lies between -3 and -2. Now do remember this condition students. If I remove log, sign of inequality, it will change now. So what will we get? We'll get x square minus x, right? Now it will become greater than x plus 3 to the power 1. So this is what I'll get. And students, obviously now this thing will be positive, right? No need to write anything because we have already considered x plus 3 is between 0 and 1. देखो अगर x plus 3 between 0 and 1 है, so that means this is positive. And students, if this is positive, this definitely will be positive, right? So now students, if I solve this condition, what will I get? I'll get x square minus of 2x minus of 3 will be greater than 0. So from here I'll get x minus 3 into x plus 1 greater than 0. So now students, again we'll use a number line to understand it in a better way. So students, अब हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? From here you will get the roots -1 and 3, and from here we are getting -2 -3. तो obviously पहले -3 आ जाएगा, then we'll get a -2, then we'll get a -1, and then we will get a 3. Now this says that x -3 x plus 1, it is greater than 0. So what does it mean? Roots are -1 and 3. So that means x should be greater than 3, right? Or x should be less than -1. X should be less than -1, right? And if you look at this condition, it says x lies between -3 and -2. X lies between -3 and -2. So students, now the only common part here is this part. Only this is the region which is common. So from here, what will I get solution? Solution, I'll get that x lies between -3 and -2. So students, now this is the answer from the second case. So now which will be the final answer? This thing we got from the first case, and this we are getting from second case. So students, finally answer will be, you have to combine both these, right? So answer will be -3 to -2, union -1 to 0, and union 1 to 3. So this will be the answer, guys. See, I've taken this question just to make you understand the concept. I know that this is a lengthy question, but there is much more to learn here. So that is the reason I took this question. Just explain you two concept. Do remember this. You can solve any question based on logs and inequalities. Okay, students. So thank you, everyone.